Today we'll be discussing J Advanced 2021 Mathematics Paper 1. Now the first question is, consider three sets E1, 1, 2, 3, F1, 1, 3, 4 and G1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Two elements are chosen at random without replacement from the set E1 and let S1 denote the set of these chosen elements. Let E2 be E2 minus S1 and F2 be F1 union S1. Now two elements are chosen at random without replacement from the set F2 and let S2 denote the set of these chosen elements. Now G2 is G1 union S2 and finally two elements are chosen without replacement from the set G2 and let S3 denote the set of these chosen elements. Now let E3 equals E2 union S3. Now if it is given that E1 equals E3, find the conditional probability of the event S1 equals 1 by 2. We need to find the value of this conditional probability. Now we are given three sets E1 and E1 is 1, 2, 3. We have F1 and F1 is 1, 3, 4. And then we have this G1 which is 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now first we choose two elements from the set E1 to form this set S1. Now we can choose this S1 in three ways. So this S1, it can be either 1, 2 or 2, 3 or 1, 3. Now it is given that E1 is equal to E3 and E3 is E2 intersection of S3 and E2 is E1 minus S1. So E2 is the remaining element from E1 and if E3 is equal to E1, it simply means that this S3, it must be equal to S1. So this S3, in the first case, it should be 1, 2. In the second case, it should be 2, 3. And in the third case, it should be 1 and 3. So we have three cases, case 1, case 2 and case 3. Now it says we are taking F2 which is F1 union S1. So we'll write F2 which is F1 union S1. Now in the first case, this union will be 1, 2, 3, 4. In the second case, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4. And the third case, it will be 1, 3 and 4. Now from this, we have to choose S2 and then from G1 union S2, we have to form G2 from which we have to select S3. Now since G1 has 2, 3, 4 and 5 and S3 has 1, 2. So in the first case, this should have this G1 intersection S2. It should have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. In the second case, when it is 2, 3, there can be two cases possible. Either it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or it will be 2, 3, 4 or 5. And the third case, since it has 1 here, it should be 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now this first case, if we have to select these two elements in S2, then one of the element, it must be 1 and the other element, it could be any one of 2, 3 and 4. Now here also, if we choose this first case, then it should be 1 and then some element X. And if it is second case, then it should be some elements X and Y other than 1. And in this third case, it should be this 1 and then some element X. So these are the four cases possible in which E1 is going to be equal to E3. Now we'll start calculating. Now in this first case, if we calculate this probability and say it is P1, then first we need to choose two elements from these three elements. It can be done in 2C2 upon 3C2 ways. Then from this set, we have to select S2 in such a way that 1 is always included. So total number of ways is 4C2. And if 1 is always included, then it will be 3C1. Now from this, we have to select S2 which is 2C2 upon 5C2. So this probability will be 1 by 3 and this is 3 by 6 and this is 1 by 10. So it is 1 by 60. So this first case, it is 1 by 60. Now before the second case, we'll calculate actually this third case. In this third case, suppose this is P3. Now first we have to select 1, 3, which again can be done in 1 by 3 ways. Now again for S2, we have to select 2 elements from these 3 elements. It can be done in 3C2 ways, and one of the element, it must be 1. So this other element, it can be selected in 2C1 ways, and then into these 2 out of 5. So it will be 2C2 upon 5C2. Now this is 1 by 3 into 2 by 3 into 1 by 10, and it will be 1 by 45. Now we'll come to this second case when we have this 2, 3. So this is P2 and it'll be this 1 by 3 into, now we have 2 cases. Case 1, if 1 is included, now if 1 is included, there'll be 3C1 upon 4C2 into, now from this we need to select 2, 3. So it'll be 2C2 upon 5C2 plus, and if 1 is not included, then it'll be any 3C2 upon 4C2 into, now this is 2C2 upon 4C2. Now it'll be 1 by 3. Now this is 3 by 6 and this is 1 by 10 plus this is 3 by 6 into 1 by 6. Now this is 1 by 2. So we'll take this 1 by 2 common. So it'll be this 1 by 6 and then 1 by 10 plus 1 by 6, which is 8 by 180 and which is 2 by 45. So this probability is 2 by 45. So in the first case, we get this probability as 1 by 60. In the second case, it is 1 by 45. And the third case, it is 2 by 45. Now we need to find this conditional probability that if E1 equals E3, S1 is 1, 2. So this required probability P will be given by P1 upon P1 plus P2 plus P3. Now this is 1 by 60 and it is 1 by 60 plus 1 by 45 plus 2 by 45. So this is 1 by 60. Now this is 1 by 60. Now this is 3 by 45 and 3 by 45 is 1 by 15. Now this is 4 by 60. So this probability will be 1 by 5. So the value of this conditional probability is 1 by 5 and that's your option A.